In this tutorial, we will explain the clipping mask tool and its implementation in vector design. In other words, the clipping mask tool uses the shape on the topmost layer to define visible area for the entire group. We'll begin with creating a triangle using the Polygon tool with sides count set to 3. Then click Expand and set Stroke to 12 points. Now we add a square in the way that it overlaps and covers the triangle's peak, and add white color fill to the square. Since the triangle is going to be used as a mask, we should place it over other objects. This can be done in the Layers panel by placing the triangle item above the square. In order to apply a mask to objects, we select the mask together with those objects, and then click Make Clipping Mask under the Modify menu. This command creates a clip group that includes the original objects. The object from which the mask was created is always the upper item in the clip group. Finally, we activate the stroke property to make the mask outline visible in the design. To create the snowcap, let's turn the bottom of the square into a wavy line. To do that, we add a couple of anchor points to the square. Then switch to the Convert Anchor Point tool to pull and adjust direction lines. 2 more mountains can be created in the same way. To add the sun, we'll use the Ellipse tool, and for clouds, we will use the Line tool. With the help of the Pen tool, let's draw a hill and place it at the foot of the mountains covering them. The final step would be fitting the whole mountain scenery into a circle. For this, draw a circle with the Ellipse tool with the Shift key pressed. Since the circle is going to become our new clipping mask, we need to place it in front of the other objects by selecting Modify, then Arrange, and then Bring to Front in the menu. The same can be done by dragging the circle to the upper position in the Layers panel, as we did before. Now we adjust the position of the circle so that it outlines our mountains. To clip the whole design with the circle, we select all of the objects by pressing the Command and A keyboard keys, and choose the Make Clipping Mask option under the Modify menu. The whole design is now presented as a clip group in the Layers panel. To have a nice outline around our image, we need to apply a stroke to that circle. Now we can add a background to complete the art. Note that the best thing about clipping mask is that you can at any time move, edit, modify objects inside the mask and the mask itself. Simply select the necessary object with the Select tool and work with it. Go on, experiment with the clipping mask option yourself to get a hold of the workflow.